So this is the way to make your computer a little bit faster. So alright, I will close this window. And how did I get to that window? It's like this. We go to this PC, right click, and we click properties. And then we choose advanced system settings. And so this window shows up, and we select in this performance box, we left click on settings. And so you can see this. Actually, the only thing you need to do to make your computer a lot faster is to change from this thing to adjust for best performance. Once you do that, click apply, and you're ready. As you can see, there is some improvement in speed. Some animations have been removed, so it is a little bit faster than it was before. For example, I open, well, there is a few, it's not as fast as it's not like 50% faster, but it does the trick. So I hope that it helps. Thank you very much, and see you next time.